Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So I forgot that there's actually a Subaru dealer here in Spokane. I'm so used to Mitsubishi's. The Mitsubishi dealer in Spokane closed down about a year ago. So what we're gonna do this morning is we're gonna head to a Subaru dealership and we're gonna pick up the intake gaskets we need for the intake manifold and then those timing belt guides. We need those as well to get this motor completed. Bobby, are you almost ready to rip?
Almost.
Do you wanna work on the Evo 8 today?
What?
Should we do any Evo 8 stuff today? Maybe?
I'll think about it.
You look kinda cute.
You do?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Should we get the road jack?
Can we go get a Red Bull?
I really want to drive my Evo 8 today. I've been dying to drive that car.
I don't know, pulling hair.
I feel like since the day we got that thing, like 3 years ago, we haven't really driven her much. And you know, yeah.
Yeah.
Even if it still smokes and burns oil. I saw some comments about that actually. A lot of people are saying it's just black smoke. I know now it's just black smoke, but before, what color was the smoke?
Bluish, whitish color.
And it was going through like a quart of oil literally every day, so that's why we put a new turbo on it. Guys, I know black smoke is normal for fully built cars like the Evo 8 is. Blue smoke is not. Blue smoke is bad. Black smoke is okay. Yeah, it's gonna run a little bit rich. She built. Ooh. That's a fire jet tag if I ever seen a fire jet tag. Are you jealous?
Yeah.
So I know you're gonna hate me. Do you know?
Alright, don't even, no more words.
You already know, huh?
I already know. Buddy, come get her. She's dancing like a stripper.
Every time I'm having a bad day, if I just do a pull, we're happy now.
She built.
How ironic. So we got the gaskets and the little guides that we needed. They didn't have the seals in stock, so I just ordered those online. But we don't really need those right now. I just want to get the intake manifold on. Bobby's trying to convince me to go to Nissan right now. Is that an S7? And buy a GTR. What do you have to say about that, babe? Why? Why you gotta do this to me?
I don't necessarily want him to buy one. I just want to go look.
Why would we go look and not buy?
Well, we gotta look first and then we buy. It's kind of the trick of the trades.
All right, pull up the freaking dealer. Maybe they would take my Evo 10 on trade, just as is, and they give me all the money we put into parts.
2 miles away.
That is a bunch of poop. They had one cool car there, and it was a 370. So, no GTR today. Sorry, Haas. Alright, so we made it back home, and I don't really know what we're doing today. I got something stuck in my throat. Bobby got a new helmet today, so she's itching to ride.
Mm-hmm. Can we go on a ride?
It's raining. Oh. So we have 3 things, okay?
I want to open up the box.
We have a giant box over here, guys, that came in for the street bike, for the R6, all new fairings, and a gas tank cover. So the tank on that bike is white, and as you can see, when we about to open up this box, we're changing the whole color of the bike. You want to open it? Don't freaking touch my butt. Stop touching my bum. The main goal today is get the Evo 8 in the shop, fill it up with oil, check over the car, and leave the Evo 10 here and drive the Evo 8 tonight, just around, put maybe 100 miles on it, and see how much oil we burn. Because I think we're good to go, boys. I also got to thinking, if my turbo seals were bad, I guarantee you there's oil in my intercooler, and then in my intercooler piping, and all that good stuff as well. Wouldn't you think? So maybe that's why she's still burning oil for a while. So guys, this is a gas tank cover. So the tank on the bike is metal and it's painted white. So I just bought an unpainted cover, and I'm gonna have this paint matched to the rest of the fairings. Or maybe I'll try it at home myself with like some rattle can or something.
No, we don't do rattle can, honey.
This is only 40 bucks, and a whole new tank was like 500. And this will just go over my current tank. So it should work out pretty good. Ooh, I'm excited to see like the gray, you know, that they use. Oh, that's my windshield.
I was gonna say that's straight up black.
When I'm tucking hard and I'm hauling ass, I go like this. I duck my head under here. Like that. Oh yeah. That's a nice gray.
It is a nice gray.
It's gonna look so sick. So the color scheme. The color
scheme.
It's like a matte gray and black. And it's gonna look so sick. And I'm thinking about either changing up the wheel color or the caliper color. I don't know. We'll see. That is such a nice gray.
It is.
It's like a flat metallic or something. I'm excited to see how good it all fits, because this whole kit on eBay was like $400 or $500 for everything.
Was that pretty cheap?
They're very cheap, yeah. Because to do all OEM would be like at least $1,000, I would think. Oof. How much smoke will she smoke?
What is it like?
Very minimal smoke to report. She's definitely still throwing some smoke out. I'm gonna pop the hood. Thanks. Oh yeah, she's a little bit low. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna fill it up to the very optimal amount. Damn, this car's just...
What is she giving you?
I just don't like problems. Oop.
Getting a little ahead of yourself, baby. Damn.
What?
This car is my favorite.
You wanna know a secret?
Yeah?
You say all my cars are your favorite.
I do say all of them are my favorite, Haas.
Ooh. Okay, so that car's all good to go. For now, let's work on the STI engine. So let's work on it for, I know you're hungry and so you don't want to work today because it's the weekend, but we gotta get shit done. It's 6:11, okay? Let's work on it till 7 o'clock. Deal?
Okay, deal.
Let's do this thing. In that time, we should be able to get easily the intake manifold on.
Is that the thing we just bought at STI? At Subaru?
Yeah.
This looks really confusing.
There's a lot of little shit. We just got the intake manifold all wrapped up. What time is it? How much time do we have left? 6:28, so it took 15 minutes. We're gonna do the spark plugs real quick, coil packs, flip it over, and see if we can get the exhaust manifold up pipe and turbo on before 7 o'clock. If we can do that, well, we literally have nothing to do on this motor. So let's bang at 8. Alright guys, little change of plans. Instead of doing exhaust manifold and all that, we're going to do AC pump, alternator, power steering pump. Now I kind of messed up. We should have done these before we did the intake manifold, just because there's always that bolt. This bolt right here is really, really hard to get to with the intake manifold on, but we can still get to it. It's just a pain in the ass, that's all. As you can see, it's still doable though. Yeah. So there's that, there's the power steering pump, and then there's the alternator. We're gonna bang those out real quick, and then if we have time, 6:35. We got 25 minutes left to get this thing done. Look how complete that thing is. We got a ton of work done for like an hour. Did we go past our time?
Way past our time.
What? Well, that stupid turbo bracket was pissing me off. 7:21. That's not bad. That's
About
not
an
bad.
hour and like 15-ish minutes.
We got the intake manifold on, power steering, alternator, AC, turbo, up pipe, manifold. and that's about it.
Cute little Turbski.
The thing is tiny.
I know.
There's one freaking bracket that was literally... every time I built the Subaru, I don't run these brackets. It's one of the turbo brackets. There's already another one, so this thing's a piece of shit, and we were gonna run it, and I spent 30 minutes alone working around this bracket, and then I got mad and took it off. So, oh, there was quite a few comments about valves the other day. So here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna sign a valve, and I'm gonna sign a valve, and we're gonna give them away.
Okay.
We're gonna give them both away together, right? One signed by me, one signed by you. What you're gonna do is go down in the comment section below. What would you rather have, an STI or an Evo? What's your preference? That's all you have to say. And make sure you drop your Instagram as well so we can get a hold of you. But yeah, if you guys want to win a signed valve, let's sign them right now, actually.
You can't sign with that.
What?
That does not work.
Watch and learn.
You need the silver ones that we have at the permit. They'll
No.
look so much better, babe.
Sorry. Damn, it's not
I'm
working.
telling you, it's not gonna look very good. I wouldn't want to win something like that.
What? You don't get to sign it now. All you gotta do, guys, comment down below STI or Evo and your Instagram. Let's go jump in the Evo 8. I'm gonna go hose it off at the car wash, and we're gonna go drive the damn car.
Good job.
Okay, so first 5 questions on Instagram. I haven't looked at them yet.
Okay.
Okay, first question. Shout out to all the homies on Instagram.
Why did you snort a little bit?
What is your plan with the Subi?
The plan of the Subi is to just get it running right now. Get it to stock and like running, right?
Yeah, running, driving, 100% perfect condition stock,
Yeah.
and then build the shit out of it like all the other cars.
Yeah, exactly.
Easy enough. What turbo kit do you have? What turbo kit do you have? Bobby doesn't know.
Yeah, I do. It's Turbo Love of America.
What turbo though? Did they build you?
TFG5.
So Bobby has the TD06 SL2
Oh, so I got one.
EF 2.5. The Evo has the 25G. Evo 10, which is what I'm assuming your question is an ETS turbo kit with a Precision 6266. Next question. How many cars have you owned? Holy smokes.
Honey, we're not counting
No,
that.
we could go through it real quick. Let me try to think. So, can you keep track? I'm gonna start naming off.
Okay.
98 Lake CGT, 2002 WRX, 2004 2.5 RS,
Okay.
98 Subaru Outback.
Okay.
Lord.
No, there's no way to name it all because Devin's had multiple Foresters since I've met him. He's had multiple Outbacks.
Should we just call it 25?
No, I would say 30.
30. Call it 30.
30 cars.
Next question. Where did you meet Bobby? First time I ever met you was at the bowling alley. That's when I saw you the first time.
So a little background history on Devin and I. We've known each other for like 10 years, maybe more than that.
How old am I? 25? Probably 13 years.
Yeah. We've known each other for a really long time. Devin and I would text all the time, and finally we like...
I used to print call her, so I didn't have her number memorized since I was like 12.
And then...
You guys want to know? It's 509.
Hit me up. Anyways, we texted for a really long time, and then finally, when we were like 13 or 14 years old, Devin invited me to come to the bowling alley. We went to the bowling alley, and Devin didn't say one peep to me.
Shut up. You're not allowed to tell them.
We literally just like saw each other, and that's about it. So that was like the first official time we like met each other, but then the second time we actually like interacted and wasn't awkward was at my really... What was that?
I thought you were gonna tell them all story.
No. Was at my good friend at the time's house. She was having like a party, and I was trying to get Devin to take a shot with me.
I used to be really awkward back in the day, and I still am, I feel like.
No, not that bad.
Oh my lord.
Like,
so...
I literally offered Devin a shot, and he just looked at me, and he didn't even say anything. He looked at his best friend that he's with and was like, should we do it? And I'm like, no, like with me. Yeah. And then I took it by myself and walked away.
Do you ever street race? That's the last question. Do you ever street race?
No.
But she built.
I know. save it for the people.
So, I mean, yeah, if someone's gonna pull up on me and try to like give me the gap, I'm gonna give them the gap for sure. I think by street racing they mean like go to planned like street racing things like there is in Spokane. No, I don't do that. I don't condone that. I'd rather just go to a track where it's legal, where it's safe. You don't street race at all?
No.
You never raced anybody?
No.
Not a single person?
Not one person since I got my turbo in.
Because you'd lose all the races?
To be completely honest, the Genesis matched up with a lot of the other cars that tried to race because they were slow.
And what about the Evo?
Now with the Evo, it's fast, so I'm like...
Oh, so you're cocky now.
I'm like, yeah, that person can just go because...
So you think you're fast?
Yeah.
You want to go race? I got my Evo 8 downstairs. Let's rip it.
That's what?
Let's rip it.
No biggie.
Why?
I don't want to.
Alright, well, should we answer one more?
Mm-hmm.
Just a random pick of my choice to you. If Bobby had to choose between my Evo 10 and the gray STI, what would she rather have?
You got me to be completely honest.
Let's hear it.
Can I like pick and choose like the things I don't want to hear yet?
So what do you like about my Evo?
I absolutely love the way your Evo looks and like sounds and everything, but I never would get into boost with your Evo because I never go that fast.
So is she too built?
Yeah, she's literally too built for me.
So you take a stock STI over it?
No, I would take your Evo.
Okay.
Like if the STI and the Evo were side by side, I'd definitely go for Evo. But knowing how it feels when you drive it, I would like the STI probably better, even though it's slow.
I think that was gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Shout out to the 13-year-old Devin who didn't know how to talk.
Because look where you're at now, huh?
That tickled. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.